In this video, I will show you how to deposit money from your bank account to a Coinbase account in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up the Coinbase app on your device. So you just want to come into your apps and open up Coinbase. And if you're not already, you just want to log into your account. From here, you can see there's some options at the bottom. So when you actually log in, you're going to see some options down here. So you've got like buy, send, receive, and add cash. What you want to do from here is click onto the add cash button. So you can see some options that's going to be available to you on how to add cash to your Coinbase. And what you're going to want to do is click onto the recommended top option, which says easy bank transfer. From here, what you're going to want to do is first where it says select bank, you want to press onto this button and choose your bank from the drop down list. And of course, this is going to be different depending on what country you're in. Next, just go ahead and enter the amount that you want to transfer across, and then click the blue continue button underneath. What's now going to happen, it's going to redirect you to your chosen bank to approve the deposit into Coinbase. So what you want to do is click the blue button at the bottom, and you'll see that's just going to start connecting to the bank. So it just takes a minute or two to do this. And once that's been approved and you've approved that through your bank, that's going to add the funds into your Coinbase account. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.